In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps on your Toyota Corolla. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use Google Maps directly on your Toyota Corolla. So if you have an interface like this one, you will be able to do it by making sure that Android Auto is enabled. So go over to the menu, and by pressing the menu button under the general category, you will have projection settings. Go inside of projection settings and finally ensure that Android Auto or Apple CarPlay is enabled, depending on which one you want to use. So when you have them enabled, you will now connect your phone to your Toyota Corolla. This will be done primarily by using a USB cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the phone and the other one goes into any of the ports available on your Toyota. Once you have your phone connected, you will be good to go. You can also connect it wirelessly through Bluetooth, but I'm not going to go too in-depth about that process in this video. Once you have your phone connected, go back to the home menu and now look for projection. This is what allows your phone to communicate with your car. In order to change this into Android Auto, you need to download the Android Auto application on your phone. So download it from the Play Store or the App Store, set it up, and once you have Android Auto set up on your Android device, you will be able to change this into Android Auto automatically. So if you connect your phone and it has Android Auto running, it is going to be detected by your Toyota Corolla. Now you can select Android Auto and Google Maps will initiate immediately. If you want to check out other applications that also work in this Android Auto mode, tap on this icon and you will find stuff like Spotify, podcasts, and so on. It is simple to use and Google Maps will always be available once Android Auto has been enabled. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on using Google Maps on your Toyota Corolla, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed according to the channel metrics, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.